gender equality and inclusive society, it is a call to action. A commitment to building a future where every woman in every sector, including our esteemed Philippine National Police, can rise and contribute to new Philippines. We recognize the incredible journey of being a woman in the Philippine National Police. It's a path filled with unique hurdles, often unseen by many. You not only answer the call of duty, but also embrace your loving roles as a wife, as a mother, and even as a daughter, adding another layer of responsibility and heart to your service. You balance the necessary strength of your profession and with remarkable empathy and leadership with genuine care. You are protectors, role models for a new generation, and leaders who are reshaping a traditionally male-dominated field. With every barrier you break, you demonstrate that service knows no gender. If you look around at the landscape of our Philippine National Police today, it's a landscape increasingly shaped by the invaluable contributions of women. Over 42,000 strong, you now represent a significant 20% of the Philippine force, of the PNP. A powerful indicator of the positive strides you've made towards gender equality in this traditionally male-dominated arena. But these numbers are more than just statistics. They tell a story of progress and impact. Today, you'll find female officers not just participating, but leading. As of February this year, we have 151 women holding key command and operational positions, demonstrating their capability and strategic visions at the highest levels. Think about the barriers we've shattered. Women in the PNP are proving their competence across the board, excelling and demanding field operations and within specialized units that once seemed exclusively the domain of man. We've witnessed the historic rise of women to the highest ranks. We remember Chief Superintendent Maria Luisa Ferrer de Mayuga, a true pioneer and the world's first woman police general during the PCINP, or Philippine Constabulary Integrated National Police, whose groundbreaking achievements earned her a place in the Guinness Book of World Records and captured the attention of the world. We have Chief Superintendent Yolanda Talige, who became the first female police general in the PNP's history in 2006. And in 2023, we have Police Brigadier General Portia Manalad, who made history as the first female graduate of the Philippine National Police Academy to achieve this prestigious rank. And she also champions the welfare of the vulnerable as Chief of the Women and Protection Center. These leaders is evident actually across crucial units and regions too. We also heard the awardees earlier, the kind of recognitions and awards that they received. This just proves how exemplary their contributions are in PNP. This is also to include Northern Police District's very own Police Major Cristina Matias, your district chief, and of course, my high school classmate whom I'm very proud of, Major Marisa Arellano, Assistant Chief of the District Personnel and Records Management Division. Now, if you look at the local level, you'll also find women serving as chiefs of PNP Chief, Police General Romel Francisco Marbil, has rightly emphasized that women are not simply present in your organization. They're active agents of change, driving its transformation through their exceptional leadership, unwavering dedication, and profound courage. This is why the PNP leadership is firmly committed to empowering your female officers, ensuring that they have equal opportunities for career advancement, comprehensive leadership training, and continuous professional growth. Potential. Aangat ang bukas or the future will rise is only possible when we lift each other up. When we dismantle the barriers that hold women back, and when we create a society where every voice is heard and every contribution is valued. This means fostering a culture within the Philippine National Police that champions gender equality. It means providing equal opportunities for training, promotion, and leadership. It means creating a safe and supportive environment where women can thrive free from discrimination and harassment. It means recognizing and celebrating the unique strengths and perspectives that women bring to the table. So what can we do to translate these words into action? I have 5. The acronym for this is CSALL. First is challenge biases. Let us be mindful of our own biases and actively challenge them. Let us speak out against discrimination and promote a culture of respect and inclusivity. Second, support and mentor. Let us support and mentor your female colleagues, providing them with the guidance and encouragement that they need to succeed. Third, advocate for policies. Let us advocate for policies that promote gender equality within the Philippine National Police, ensuring that women have equal opportunities for advancement. Fourth is lead by example. Let us lead by example, demonstrating through our actions that gender equality is not just a principle, but a practice. And last but not the least, let us listen and learn. Let us listen to the voices of women and learn from their experiences. Let's create spaces for dialogue and collaboration, where we can work together to build a more equitable future for all. Let us remember that gender equality is not a women's issue, but rather it's a human rights issue. It's a matter of justice, fairness, and progress. And it's essential for building a strong, united, and prosperous nation. As we celebrate Women Empowerment Month, let us reaffirm our commitment to gender equality in an inclusive society. Let us work together to ensure that every woman in the PNP and in every sector of our society has the opportunity to rise and contribute to the bagong Pilipinas we all aspire to build. Let us be the change we wish to see. Let us be the force that propels our nation forward. Let us be the embodiment of we for gender equality and inclusive society. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang mga kababaihan sa Pilipinas at mabuhay po ang Philippine National Police. Good morning to all of you.